guys, welcome to the disaster that is my room right now. Don't judge me, we are moving. I feel like this is when you can just have your life just be a complete mess and it's okay. My life is usually a mess and it's okay. We just keep on keeping on. This is also a person that travels all the time. It's just clothes everywhere. It's like unpack, repack, unpack, repack. Repack for this, pack this bag for that, pack this bag for that. With that being said, I will say I do have a lot of travel coming. Figure out how to do that while also trying to pack my whole house up and move across the country. That's where we're at. I'm not freaking out. You know, in Friends when Ross is like, I'm fine. That's how I feel right now. Somebody asked me how I am. I think I'm just going to quote that to them because I'm fine. No, really, I'm fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, but I'm fine. But he really wants to cry, so I'm not going to cry today. At least, well, it's early. I don't want to make those promises. Promises I can't keep. We are going to start with the closet, you guys. This is not going to be done in 1 day, 2 days. It's going to take me a while. Starting the closet clean out today. I don't really know how long this is going to take. I'm sure this is going to be a very long process, but I figured we'd get it started today just so that I feel a little better. I also know I need to take a few bags with me. I need to do 1 load of donations because I already kind of started mentally taking pictures of what I want to bring and what I don't want to bring and starting to just declutter at least like our living room area. But for the most part, it's pretty much clothes in here. We don't have a whole lot of furniture and the furniture will end up being sold anyway. So that is kind of what's happening now. You need to say, you guys, I know I have a problem. I know I have a lot of clothes. And I also do fashion content on all of my social media channels. So part of the reason why I have so many pieces, I've also collected these pieces over the last few years. And that's part of the reason why when Mike tells me just donate everything, it's really a hard concept for me because I have spent the last probably 8 years collecting some of these amazing pieces in my closet. Of course, I don't need them all. This is going to be a great thing for me to try to let go of things that just are not my style anymore. They don't fit me. And we're moving to a colder climate. So a lot of these pieces that I've collected that are summer pieces, I don't necessarily need. I will say, even though I've lived in Texas for the last 7 years, I have 100% stayed true to my Washingtonian roots because I still buy jackets in July. So that's just kind of, I don't think you can turn that off mentally. And if it's a cute jacket, it's a cute jacket. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, sometimes they have winter sales or the winter pieces are on sale in the summer. So I can't turn it down if it looks like it's going to be a good deal. So you guys know I'm always hunting for a good deal, and we are going to sell some of our good pieces this week. We are going to sell and donate all the pieces that we know we don't absolutely love, that don't fit us anymore. Like when I turned 30, that was really when I was like, I don't really like this style anymore that I've worn for the last 10 years. Not that I really had like a life crisis, which I definitely did, but I do feel like my style has changed so much that a lot of the things that I do have, they just don't work anymore. So I feel like if I bring you guys along with me, it will help me stay accountable, and I know it needs to happen. So that's what we are starting with today. I am already hot and sweaty, and this is just from this closet down here. I have an entire loft upstairs that also has clothes, and this isn't even everything. Immediately regretting this decision. I told you guys this is not going to happen in 1 day. So I may have bit off more than I can chew with the stuff that I already pulled out. We'll see how far we can get. We have pulled everything out. Not everything, but a lot of things. Enough for today, I think. This is the current state of the bed. It is just like a mixture of a bunch of different things. The light in our closet is out, so it is very dark. This was my side. Clearly, Mike has not done his side yet, but this is my side of the closet, and I've pretty much pulled down most of the stuff in here. I'm gonna wait to do the shoes because that's gonna have to wait for another day because I have so many shoes. Still have like a few little things to grab, but other than that, we've pretty much grabbed most of the stuff that was in here. There's like a few things here and there. And I get this done in 3 hours, you guys. I don't know, but challenge accepted. I also don't know, do you guys want to see literally every single item? Because there is so much and I don't really feel like showing you every single thing. It's going to be a very long vlog if I show you every single thing. So maybe we'll just do bits and pieces or we're never gonna get through it. Please tell me you guys know the blanket scarf era. Still have all of these. I never wear them anymore, but I used to wear them all the time. So definitely goodbye to an era. I'm just pulling from the top of this giant pile. And so far my hats, I'm definitely keeping this one. It's so cute. This one was my grandpa's, so I'm definitely keeping that. Of course, because I am a cat lady. This isn't even all my caps. I think I have a few other ones. The ones I am wondering about though, I already have a camo hat. Do I need the Bass Pro Shops one? Probably not. So I think I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. And then this one's cute. It says New York on it. It's very different than like a New York Yankees hat, but still not like, I mean, I don't ever really like reach for it. So I could put these in the maybe pile. Problem is with the maybe pile is I think everything is a maybe because I have issues and I want to hoard everything. So I don't know. I need help. Help me. Also, what is the rule on beanies? Because I don't really wear them. Maybe just like have one on hand, like a color that I like. For some reason have 3 different colors of berets. I definitely don't wear these. If anything, I'll probably wear the cream one. So I'll just keep it just to have a beret on hand in case I want to get creative, but I usually don't wear these, so I can sell these. I also am just pulling from the top of the bed. So these are like flare jumpsuits from Target, which are super cute, very comfortable. But this one is pretty close to my skin tone, so I don't really reach for it. If anything, I'll probably end up keeping the black one. So this one I can definitely sell. I do love onesies. I think they're so comfortable. This one is from Lululemon, so I'm definitely gonna keep that one. I have another one that is Fabletics that I know I will end up keeping because I do wear both of these a lot. They're so comfortable. I look like I am gonna go wrestle somebody. It's kind of a vibe. So in all honesty, when it comes to like really short shorts, I don't really wear them anymore, like the Daisy Duke vibes. So I feel like most of these I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of. These, I don't even think these fit me anymore. They are very short, so I'm definitely, as my style's changing, I'm liking a little bit more of a longer hem on the shorts that I'm wearing, so these ones can definitely be a sell. See, this is my problem, is I think that I have things just to have them, and I've never worn these. They still have the tag on them. They're very cute. They're definitely like a staple. However, I have not worn them. So part of me is like, do I need them? Should I sell them? What do you guys think? Should I put them in the maybe pile? I feel like they're kind of an essential piece in your closet, and we are moving somewhere that's going to be colder weather. So more opportunity to wear something like this. But if I haven't worn them, is that a sign? I think I just got them this winter season, so obviously have not had the chance to wear them, but What do you guys think? Put it in the maybe pile. Are jean skirts still in? I feel like if you have one that you love and hold on to it, I don't know. This one's from Lulu's and I love it. Are they still in? We are moving to Washington, so that does give me like some more options, but like in the fall, so cute. I feel like this is gonna be the hardest part. Hoodies and sweaters. I feel like I have so many of these, but we are again moving somewhere colder, somewhere where I am gonna reach for these a lot of the time. Also, it's just like my love language. I have so many of them and I don't obviously need them all, but I don't really see myself getting rid of very many. So this is definitely going to be a challenge. I am worried that I'm going to love them all and not get rid of any of them. So this one is definitely a keep. Lululemon like cream hoodie. Have two of these that are similar. One thing you guys will see is that I love a good destination crew neck. If it has a place on it from Abercrombie, does not matter if I have been there or not. I have not been to London. I am probably gonna get it. So you guys know when it comes to like graphics, the only graphic I really like to have, unless it is a sports team or something really cute, it's generally gonna be a travel themed graphic, whether it's a destination or some sort of fun travel thing. So this one is Hollister. So cute. Definitely keeping these. Banff, I still have not been here, but it's so cute. Same sweater, Lululemon hoodie, just in black. So it's definitely keep. This is a tee from Madewell, which means goodbye, but I never wear it. So, I mean, I need to put it maybe in the maybe pile. This is a baby tee that I love. This is a keep, and this one is a Aritzia tiny tee, but very comfortable, super cute, and definitely like one of the essentials. So these ones are definitely going to be a keep. This I think is so cute, but I also never wear it. Sometimes I just like to have it on hand in case somebody needs to be reminded to just be kind. So I don't know, I feel like I need to keep this one just in case. I don't wear this anymore, and I definitely don't really wear this anymore. So these can kind of be a no. Anything Abercrombie is probably coming with me. Long sleeve bodysuit keep. I don't know, I don't really wear these, so I probably could sell. Zara tank, these are both good basics to have, so this is a yes. Obviously a keep. This is also brand new, so this is 100% a keep. Absolute yes. This is my cat. Are we even wearing these anymore? These Lululemon like BBL jackets. This little bag, but I already kind of have one like it. It's brand new. I've never used it. It came with these little charms. Beachy, it's so cute, but I definitely don't need it, so I feel like I can sell it. This is one of those Lululemon jackets. It's so soft and so comfortable, but I just never wear it. So I feel like it's time to let her go. Just as I'm saying that, I feel like my mom would probably like this, so I may end up bringing it to Seattle and asking her if she thinks she'll like this. Mike is currently helping me declutter. He is going through his little section over here. The cats are just watching. It's mainly all of their stuff, which is why it's funny. You guys are watching him? What you think, baby? Whoa! What do you have to say, baby? What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Bravey. What toys do you want to keep, Bravey? Oh. What?